from Tonkadale, and today we're planting our pansy pots. It's a little bit chilly, but you know what? Pansies are cold-loving annuals. They can take temperatures down to 28 degrees. They don't mind a frost, and they don't mind a little bit of snow on their faces. I have a few other items that do tolerate the cold temperatures as well. Things like ivy, spring rye, and our chorus grass. They're gonna like temperatures closer to 35 degrees and above. But you know what? If that happens, just cover them for the night and you're good to go. Let's get started. I have my 1 cubic foot bag of Tonkadale. I do have about half of my old soil in here, so I'm just gonna add some fresh stuff right on top. Smells amazing. One of the tricks I like to use is to grab a full pansy bowl. I love the color yellow. The one thing with my house is it is a brick color, so sometimes it's hard to coordinate, but with pansies, you just go all out, bright colors all the way. So you can pop this out just like a bundt cake and compost this container. Look at those nice roots, nice and full. And patty cake it right into the pot. Now, I'm going to add a few other things, so let's separate it in the middle so we have room to add. One thing that's kind of fun to add, and these are in short supply, but if you can get your hand on some pre-forced bulbs, get them in the really early stages before the flowers have emerged, and you can watch them grow. So you could put something like this right in the middle. I'm going to save that for another time, but I'm going to use this type of asparagus fern. It's the Ming fern. These do tolerate cool temperatures. This is our Algerian Ivy. It does tolerate cool temperatures. I'll use this in my front pots for early spring. Once we get our warmer spring sunshine, I'll move this into the back in the shade. By the end of the season, this will trail 6 or 7 feet down the side of my rock wall. Leaving a little bit of room in the middle because I have some twiggy surprises for the end. Now I can't just have pansies, I must add some violas. So these cute little 4-packs are pretty easy to plop around the edges. Just wake up the roots a little bit. Look at how nice oh my gosh, they're so pretty. In early spring, there really aren't that many choices for cool weather annuals, so it's best to just keep it simple. All right, we're all finished planting. Now we're gonna add some twigs. One thing to remember, all of your plastic pots numbered 1 through 5 are generally recyclable in your municipal containers, so stack them up and get them in the bin. That goes for tags too. These can go in the recycling as well. I have some gorgeous golden curly willow. This is actually kind of fun because once I put it in the soil and get it watered, it will leaf out because it thinks it's growing. This is an aggressive bunch, so I'm going to cut it down quite a bit to scale. Pansies and violas are actually very fragrant, so do take time to smell the flowers, especially at nighttime when the world slows down, the sun sets, and everything cools off. They just are so fresh. Let's add some of these. These are really pretty pussy willows. I might be able to just split it in 2 and I'm gonna call this good to go. I don't know, I think it's pretty cute and it's gonna last me long into the month of May until I'm ready to put in my summer annuals. Hot tip, this is my favorite gardening tool. It's the DeWalt 20 volt max battery powered blower. All right, time to hook up the hose. Thanks for watching and we'll see you at Tonkadale.